Must be patient. Is he watching? Oh. Bing, 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 bing. Excellent. Dude, those things are so dangerous. These. I'll kill you.
I'll get stuck to your brain.
Yeah, don't get stuck in your arm.
Do it like that, I'll
Must be some formation first. Well, you can join up on me and then stick to the inside. Stick to the inside. Hit me out there. So just set your throttle and leave it, and then or is it easier for me to join up on you? Which one? Here, I'll join up on you.
Join up on me.
Do a slow circle, okay. And stick to it. Keep a slow, even radius circle. And stay closer. I'll stick that right there with you. Stay close, it's easier to see.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
I can go over my timer too, anyway. Whoa! Okay, stay just like that. Turn and just keep it a tight circle in front of us. If you're turning too late though, come closer. See where I'm turning?
Oh, I see you are.
Yeah, just stay like right here. And then we can start joining up on each other. I've got a lot of time too, because I'm flying low throttle. So I'll just sit here and wait. And then just do a perfect circle right there. Make it to where we're turning like right in front of us. Still turning too far out. Come really close. Right there. Okay, there. There you go. Now turn right now, stay in front of us. See what I mean? Okay. Keep turning like that. I'm not going to hit you. Not until we're ready. Keep turning like that, because then we can figure out what each other's doing. Depth perception and all of that. Fly for easily 10. There you go. And when you fly predictable like that, then we can start getting closer. You're too far out, gotta come closer. You wanna be like right here. There you go. Means we're close, but you gotta be patient. You keep doing your thing, I'll slow down and catch up to you. Do your thing. Don't worry about what I'm doing, I'll come to you. No. This is what we used to do, we'd fly around just in formation for a couple packs, and then we'd get used to it and then start going crazy. Keep doing your thing, don't change just because of me. Keep doing your thing, I'll come to you. I'll come to you, stay there. Okay. There. See, okay, so now we're kind of good. So, you think you can do that with me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so I'll follow you.
Follow me.
I'm like haven't touched my throttle.
I'll leave mine now, I won't touch it. I'm not touching it so you can catch up. Do whatever you have to do to catch, but I'm not going to touch my throttle. Let's see how I'm flying predictable. There you go, see?
That was tight.
There you go, there you go. That's it, there. See? But that's what you gotta do. Yes, finally. You just have to be patient. Yeah, he hit me. No, it's alright. You just gotta be patient.
I'm not touching the throttle.
Yeah,
you don't
just
touch
leave
the
it.
throttle, you're not like speeding up.
Right. That's what messes you up. You got to get closer though. You're flying too far out. Oh, I will if you get closer. But you're turning too damn early.
How's that? Oh, I fell out of it once.
If you make the same predictable circle, I'll get you. You can go up if you want, Bob. Oh, I thought we were hit. That was so close.
Not over there, yeah.
9,
Go ahead, Bob, if you want.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Go ahead, Ray. It's you.
Sorry.
Just get under me and come on, fly straight.
You're way out there. Let's get closer. Come on back.
I'll follow you. I got more time.
I got plenty. I'm good. I'm below half, so I got plenty. I'll go slow and then you come right over. Over. Oh, God, that was close. Woo! Oh, you crashed? What the heck? Can I do a victory roll?
Taxing out!
Oh, you freaked me out. I didn't know which way it was going.
1 minute over.
Ah! You should have just stayed where you were now. Ah! I'm on the field. What the heck? Is that you? Yeah, I'm good.
Keyon, is the elevator that bad? I can buy you an example. Think about it. I know, I didn't... The overreaction. I didn't mean to push into the fence. If it's that bad, I'll buy you an example.
Ray, you gonna launch again?
Let me see.
I'm throttle managing, so I'm good.
I think I can.
Alright. We haven't had. That was the crash. How about this? We're getting good. Let's start it up again.
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Heads up.
Ah! What the hell?
What the hell? Did you guys figure something out?
Yeah,
Did it work?
the thread is kind of screwed up with the broke out. So I mean,
Alright, Ray. I'm gonna be doing the same in the circle.
Okay.
No throttle. I'm like that.
you're fine, Jack. If the steering's weird,
We're getting good.
The wind. The wind came through and did it.
That was bad. I'll follow you, Ray.
Go. Well, I'm ahead of you now. You're gonna crash yourself.
come on. Whoa!
When we try, it's worse.
I know. It's like,
Oh, Jesus!
15 minutes over.
Come on. Oh.
oh, my battery's sagging.
All right, come on.
Oh, no.
I'm still good. Oh, look at Bob in there.
Bob in his-
What the heck? Oh, God.
If we recharge and do it again, I think we'll get against twice. What do you say?
All right, let's try before we land. Let's see if we can. Oh, there's Bob in there, too. What the heck?
Bob, are you trying to
He's trying to fly an assassin with an extra.
slow down?
Oh, shit!
What?
You just gotta hit Bob.
What are you doing? All right.
Battery's so
Oh,
dead.
shit!
Oh, not again.
What's that?
That's Mike.
It's a mic. I don't want to do it again. Okay, I'm landing.
Yeah. I landed. Landing, Mike.
You're good. You're fine. I didn't tell Mikey, but I flew right behind him.